If you're not aware of the purpose in the practice, like if I'll just now relate this Ashtanga Namaskar with the practice purpose. So Ashtanga Namaskar is giving you what? From spiritual point of sight, it was okay, I'm putting my 8 points of the body to the ground. Bhumi Naman. I'm doing a Ashtanga Namaskar. 8 limbs Namaskar. 8 limbs salutation I'm doing. Different. From physical point of view, what I'm doing? From physical point of view, what I'm doing? I am trying to get the mobility on my thoracic area, if you will see. Keeping my knees down, hips up, and then touching my chest down is giving me what? Extension on the spine. This is what I'm going to get there. Is it the only posture where I can get this? No. Your person can easily do the same position for that purpose into fish pose. Keep the bolster. Lie back. Getting me? So if we know the purpose behind our practices, there are numerous alternatives in yoga. Numerous. But we want to do the same thing. That's the problem. So definitely you should be doing the same thing, but wait for the right time to come and then do it, right? Because otherwise, if person is unable to do it, then most of the time I've seen that it really plays around with the psychological issues also with the person, right? That they're unable to do this. The failure, the kind of thing come in the mind that why they're unable to do this. So then the things come in the mind that yoga is not for them. So better that we, as a teacher, we should only in the beginning incorporate such things which give them a sense of fulfillment, which give them the sense of achievement that they can do something in yoga, and then later on, they will be so much motivated to try more and more, isn't it? Instead of right away giving something which they are unable to do and then forcing them to no, do it like this, do it like this only. Oh, you cannot do it. Come on, do this, do that. Why can't we do something else? Why can't we give something else? Because there, I think it is our fault. I truly say that. As a teacher, it is our fault that we do not know the purpose and then we just give the random practices. If we know the purpose, if we know why I'm giving this practice, then there are hundreds and thousands of alternatives in yoga asanas, which we can give. Okay, like who all attended that? Varsha, you also attended the level 1 there, right? In the level 1, we discussed this thing, right? Especially not in level 1 that much. In level 1, we discussed more from the injury point of view, but level 2, we discussed when we are doing the prop work, that why we are doing the certain prop work, for what reason, isn't it? For what reason? What is the purpose? And then accordingly, we can give the asana, we can give the proper, whether it is physiological function, whether it is physical, whether it is mental, whether it is flexibility, whether it is whatsoever it is, right? Whatever is the case, then accordingly, we can give the options. So I would suggest before even incorporating any practices for your clients, do it on yourself first, see the variations, and then go and then give. Okay. Do not give in the beginning something which they cannot do, right? Especially to the beginners, especially to the people who are physically, I would say challenged only because they are getting the challenge, right?